Okay, so now we're going to be adding the AFM filter media to the filter here. We've got a 350-pound brand new filter, and you can also use AFM in pre-existing filters. If you're changing the sand to glass, you're still going to follow the same processes. Also, I want you to know that on the Education Center at zerochlorpoolsystems.com, at the bottom of the page, there is a chart that will outline to you exactly how much of each grade of AFM to put into the filter. In this case, we've got a 350-pound filter. AFM, you can actually use up to 15% less than the sand that you would normally use in a filter, and it works out fine. So in this 350-pound filter, we're actually going to be putting in 330 pounds of AFM. And the first thing that you put in to cover the laterals at the bottom of the filter is grade 3 AFM, and that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to start adding the grade 3 AFM to the filter. Make sure you've got the protector on, obviously, to keep it from going inside of the pipe. This is the process I like to use to fill glass filters. I like to set the bag on top of the filter and then cut it so that you're not hurting your back.
And spinning it around.
You also want to spin it around to kind of evenly lay out the bed of the glass on the bottom of the filter. Okay, after this, and I'm not going to video every single bag that we put in, but after this, we're going to do the exact same process, but with one bag of grade 2 AFM. And then once that's in, we're going to put in 5 bags of, I take that back, I'm sorry, 4 bags of grade 1 AFM on top of the grade 3 bed and the grade 2 bed, and then we're going to be finished. Very simple process.